Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Now today we're recording from the sunny Gold Coast. Today's video is all about 5 free alternatives to Photoshop. Now here at Product Creation Formula we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, have it smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Welcome back. Now in this part of the video we're going to be looking at Krita. Now Krita is quite unique because for the reason being is, Krita is geared towards illustrators and graphic designers and offers a lot of the same tools as Adobe Illustrator. However, it does support PSD files, so it's also great for designers who often turn to Photoshop. So the pros, the interface is similar to Photoshop, which is making it easy to make the switch to Krita. You can work on multiple projects at once, and there are a lot of different effects to choose from. Krita also supports drawing and on tablets and making it ideal for digital painting and sketching. Okay, so what are the cons? Well, the cons are Krita doesn't support raw files. It's better for producing projects from scratch than editing existing images in a traditional sense. And that's very true. Allow me to show you what that means, okay? Let's go over here. Now I'm going to grab the magic wand tool because what I want to do is I want to actually delete that section just there. Right, so it's actually meant to be the magic wand, which is this one here, my mistake. Right, so we click on that one, and instead of trying to find an eraser tool, which you will not find in this section, and this eraser tool is really not set up properly, you'd be way better off going over here to Edit, going down here to Clear, and then just doing that. Now to help you out, because that's going to leave a bit of an outline, you grab the square tool, go over the top of that. Oh, here it is, that's the wrong one. Grab this tool, select that over the top of that. And as you can see there is a slight outline on that. Also all you have to do is go over here and hit clear again, and everything inside that square is gone. So to illustrate that again, you go over here to this particular one, click on there, go over here to edit, go to clear. Now we go to this square, highlight over the top, and then go over here to where it says clear, and then you clear it away. In the card above, you'll notice that there is a video that I've produced on how to do an animated YouTube subscribe button. So this is all part of that. So the next one I'm going to be showing you is going to actually be a bit of a shock for some people because it's one that a lot of people won't be expecting, and that is using Microsoft Office Paint, MS Paint. Now this particular one is paint.net and it's the 4.2.14 version. Now this is really super easy to use. All you need to do is go over here, look for the magic wand, click on that, and you click on the section you want. Then once you've done that, you then get the eraser, and I would suggest you take the eraser up to maybe 325, so it's a decent size, and then you color over the top. Same deal as before, we get this select rectangle and click on that, go over the top, and then we go grab the erase tool again, and then we just delete everything inside that square. And that goes the same for this one over here. We can now go there, click on that, grab the erase tool, and we can now erase it. Once again, grab that tool, go over the top, making sure we don't erase any of the bell. Then all we have to do is grab the erase tool and go over the top and erase everything inside of it. Okay, so now the next one we're going to be going to is Photo Pos Pro. Now this is a really good one because Photo Pos Pro has a lot of really amazing features. Now this is very similar to the other one. You can grab the magic wand, which is we're going to grab that on here, click on that, and all you have to do is click on this section just here, so it highlights all of that. Once again, we grab the erase tool. I like to grab the full eraser, and as you can see, it's not exactly the largest eraser in the world, so I'm going to make that a bit bigger. So by doing that, we need to make that a larger size. So in this particular case, I'm going to be making that 150 and doing that 150, so as it makes it a perfect round circle. And as you can see, it's made it substantially larger. And of course, once again, you're going to be needing to draw a rectangle. And then we can draw that rectangle over the top. And then we grab the erase tool again. And we then erase everything inside that square, or inside that rectangle, making sure we don't miss anything. And that's how it's easily done. And we can also do the same for this side as well, by just selecting that, clicking here, and of course selecting that tool and going over the top. It's very, very easy, very, very simple. And once again, you want to get everything inside that square. I'm going to grab everything there and click on that. And of course, grab your eraser and erase everything inside that square. Very, very easy. Now, I'm only showing you one aspect of all of it because I figure if we can do some consistency right throughout, you'll see how easy it really is. Now my next one that I'm going to be showing you is one I use and have been using for quite a long time, and it's called Gimp. Now Gimp has got a magic wand here. It's pretty obvious which one it is. It's this one here. Click on there and we have an erase tool just like this, and it erases it pretty much completely. Now if you wish to select over the top of it, you can do that. Choose the rectangle tool, which is R. You can, if you wish to do that, you can go like that. And once again, click over here and use that to delete it. It's very, very simple. You've seen me do it on the other one, so it's very similar in a lot of ways. Now of course this particular one, Gimp, why is it called Gimp? Well, Gimp is GNU Image Manipulating Program, and it's designed as a open source program designed by illustrators. Now this particular one has been around perhaps the longest, and it's maybe even the best known one of them all. And I've been using Gimp now for years. I find it so easy to do. And the best part about it is you've got your layers. You can do all sorts of funky things if you wish to. If you want to put a white background there, it's really easy to do. And you'll find that it's one that has a lot of potential and a lot going for it. Now, yeah, as I said, I always like to use this and use it to get rid of the image in background, and once again do that just to be sure. Get the eraser, and there you have it, done. If I was to turn the white background on, you'll notice there is no little black spots in there. Now the last one I'm going to be showing you is an online one. Now this one is called Pixlr. It's been around for a while, but it is used to illustrate. It can be done exactly the same way as all the others. Now the best part about this one is it's completely online and it's free, and you'll need the Pixlr E, not the X. You've got a choice of doing X or E. My suggestion would be stick with E because it's the editor. Now as you can see over here, it has layers just like the others do, and it is super easy to use. Now for this one, we need to go find the magic wand, which I think is this one here. Yep, wand select. That's already selected, as you can see. Once again, we use the eraser, and you can use the eraser tool to remove that. The only thing with this is it does have annoying ads pop up occasionally. And once you can do that, and I think that's how they make their money, because it's free, they need to make their money somehow, so they have ads on their site primarily to get ad revenue from Google. And that's fair enough. But hey, it's a way of making money for them, and if it works, it works. Now once again, you go over here, grab your erase tool, and just erase everything inside that rectangle. And it does the same over here. You can just go grab that magic wand, do the same thing, grab your erase tool, and erase it up. Very easy, very simple, and it will be done in just a moment. And now it is done. Very easy, very simple, very quick. I wanted to show you this because there are alternatives to Photoshop. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and listen, if you did like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, as well as subscribing and also hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. And guys, if you can get a chance to do so, why not consider sharing? Alright guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, bye for now.